Hey guys, this is Libby from Digital Designs by Libby, and today we're going to do this adorable little wood Scrabble sign for under $2. Stay tuned. For this project you're going to need 4 sublimation ready tag, some white paint, some tumbling tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. These come 24 to a pack. And this is what they look like. There is a link in the description on how to prep your blanks for sublimation. Now I decided to do a smaller tag because it is for a tier tray. However, you could easily do larger tags. In this case, some tags come with an arch, and what I did was I took a utility knife and I cut that off to give me the shape that I needed. My design is totally scalable, so if you're using larger tags, you could print out a larger version and do the same process that I'm doing here, which is basically just to tape down the design and get it ready for the pressing process. The pressing process is the same. You put your paper down at the bottom. Make sure your design is up, put your paper on top, 385 for 50 seconds, and then you take a sneak peek. Now, you could easily do this on your heat press. I just chose to do it on my Cricut. And as you see, they came out amazing. The next step is to create our little stand for our tiles to glue onto. And for this I use wood glue. I do not recommend hot glue for this. Wood glue has the best staying power. And I use a level to make sure that it is completely straight and even. Once we are done, see how they stick? And now they're ready for paint. I normally take and I put this in a plastic wrap if I'm going to be working for any amount of time. Put that over to its side. We're going to be using Waverly chalk paint. And what we're going to do is give it a nice coat of paint all the way down like so. And we're going to be repeating the process with both of these. Now it's time to glue our tiles to the front of our little ledge. The first one starts in the left-hand corner and it's flush. Make sure it's level. And then I do the last tile so that the ones in the middle I could split the difference and it is even. Sorry for this being out of frame, but all I did was put some hot glue on the ledge and I attached it to the back. Now you could use E6000 for a stronger hold for this process. And now for the fun part. I ordered these little 1-inch hearts from Amazon. They come like 100 to a pack. I'll put the link down below. And I took a light pink and a dark pink color and I painted them. Then I took some florals that I got from Dollar Tree and I pulled off 3 little buds and a little stem. I used my glue gun to attach everything to the little stand. And this is what it came out like. I love the colors on this. It's totally understated. The design is available in my shop. It is part of a set of tier tray designs that I am doing for Valentine's Day. Check it out. I'll have the link to the shop in my description below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like below. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel to see upcoming designs. Enjoy and happy crafting from Digital Designs by Libby.